All right, guys, how to multiply fractions. First, you multiply the numerators, then you multiply the denominators, then you simplify if possible. Now, here's way number one. 3 times 10 is 30. 5 times 9 is 45. Now, I have to simplify it. So I can put 30 and 45, 30 45ths into a sled. What factor can I bring out of 30 and 45? A 5, correct. So 30 divided by 5 is 6. 45 divided by 5 is 9. Bring down my fraction. So that is equivalent to 6 ninths. But I can simplify that even more because I can pull out a 3. And that's going to be 6 divided by 3 is 2. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Bring down my fraction. Your fraction in simplest form is 2/3. Now, we learned a shortcut the other day. It's called cross simplifying, where we look at the numbers that are diagonal to each other. This only works with multiplication. All right, so let's look at the 3 and the 9. All right, so if I said I put 3 and a 9 in a sled, what factor can I pull out of 3 and 9? I can pull out a 3. What's 3 divided by 3? 1. And what's 9 divided by 3? 3. So what does the 3 become when I pull out a factor of 3? The 3 becomes a 1. So the 3 becomes a 1. And what does the 9 become? A 3. All right, now let's look at the 5 and 10. Put it in a sled. 5 and 10. What factor can I pull out of 5 and 10? A 5. And I'm left with 1 and 2. So the 5 becomes a 1. The 10 becomes a 2, which gives me 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 3 is 3. You get the same answer, but you're dealing with smaller numbers instead of bigger numbers, okay? So that is how you multiply fractions.